When students learn how to draw a pickup truck, they get to practice using simple shapes like rectangles and circles to build something big and cool. Plus, they can enjoy customizing it with colors, designs, or even silly stuff in the back like a really giant pumpkin. Follow along with me and I'll show you how easy it is to draw this one. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The only supplies you need to make this project are a sheet of drawing paper, a pencil, black marker, and crayons. You may also find a link to a free step-by-step tutorial in the description below. I do like to work with center pencil guidelines on my paper, especially with this pickup truck. It lines up with both of them and it really helps you center your drawing on the paper. Let's begin by planning that cab of the truck. It's going to be this tall and this wide. So when you're ready, put your pencil on that center line and draw across and down to your mark and then back to the right. And then be sure to have a line for the back side of that cab too. Now for that front end, we can draw a straight line to the left for the bottom and then move up for the top. And oh, look who decided to join us. This is Dottie, and she's always curious about what I'm doing. Let me see if I can move her out of the way. Just a moment. Okay, that's better. Now let me fix this curve and then continue that line down to finish the front end. The bed of the truck is just a big rectangle, so continue that line across the bottom, draw the end, and then draw the top of that rectangle across that center line. See, I told you that was going to come in handy. Also, most trucks have a bumper, so let's add a simple one here. The next step is to make a cutout shape for the front wheel. So plan it with some marks and then connect them with a nice round half circle. And when you're done, be sure to erase that inside line. The same thing, of course, needs to happen for the back wheel. So make your marks, connect them with a nice round half circle, and then again erase that line inside. Let's add just a little more definition to our truck now by drawing curved lines over those cutout shapes. Now we can add our wheels. So draw a large circle that almost fills that cutout shape in front. And when you have that done, then draw a smaller circle inside for the hubcap. When the front wheel is done, then do the same thing for the back wheel. A large circle and then a smaller one inside. That cab needs a window, so let me see if I can draw one, even if I have to work around Dottie's tail here. Now you're welcome to draw anything you want in the back of this truck, but if you want to do the pumpkin, start with a stem that looks kind of like this. Then draw the sides of the pumpkin coming out from the side of the stem so it looks really big. And finish with a few curved lines inside to give it dimension. Just a few more things to add, like a ground line that's lining up with the bottom of those wheels. There's lots of room to add a puffy cloud and a simple sun in that top left corner. That'll kind of balance things out. Also, excuse me, Dottie, I'd like to add a cloud on the right side too. Finally, I think I'll get a little more color by adding some bush lines here. Now, unless you'd like to add more details, which you're welcome to do, it's time to start tracing all of those lines with a thin black marker. When the tracing is done, I do recommend taking a minute to erase any pencil lines that are still showing. It makes your drawing look so much neater when you do. One quick fix here, I forgot to add a door handle, but that's really easy. Now the crayons can come out, and I really like the look of a classic red pickup truck, so that's what mine is going to be. The wheels are going to be black on the outside, and gray on the inside for those hubcaps. The giant pumpkin in back is going to be orange with a green stem. I'm going to try something different with the greens and make the grass the dark color on this drawing. And then fill in the bushes with the lighter green. You can decide which combination you like best. The background is finished off with a yellow sun and bright blue sky. Okay, then I'd say this pickup drawing is finished. You know, I really like how this project shows you that you only need some very simple shapes to make a really good looking truck. I hope you like how yours turned out too. If you check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more transportation projects, including one for a car and one for a ship. I hope you try those out too, and I hope you keep on drawing. See you next time.